and Kisumu at 53 and 52 respectively. Roads. And we have an expert in roads here, Engineer Kerry Orege. Using a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is extremely poor and 10 is excellent, under the roads and transport function, how would you rate your county government's performance index in 1, improving and maintaining road networks, whether they're new, whether it's grading, whether it's providing culverts and bridges in your county? 2, how would you rate your county government in ensuring that, there's proper management of traffic and parking in your town centers, and that they ensure that the public transport is well organized, particularly in the areas that are more urban and market centers, the matatus, bus parks, border borders, etc. And then installing and maintaining street lighting in the urban and market centers. Top county, Murang'a, followed by Kiambu. Number 3 is Kisii. Uasin Gishu is number 4, and so is Mombasa in roads and transport. They tie with 49%. The mean score is 43.3. We can clap. Roads and transport, top 25 counties, we've seen up to Uasin Gishu. Number 6 is Homa Bay, tying with Nyeri at 48. Number 8 is Elgeyo Marakwet with 47, tying with Trans Nzoia. Then number 10, we have Kericho, Kilifi, Kirinyaga, Kisumu, Lamu, Nairobi, Tharaka Nithi, West Pokot. Very many counties tied in number 10, meaning that the next rank was number 19, where Embu Makueni tied at 45%, and Kwale was number 21, then Garissa, Kitui, Migori, and Samburu were number 22 with 43%. Most improved counties in roads is Nairobi, which has moved 26 ranks, Garissa, Mombasa, which has moved from number 17 to number 4. I see the Mombasa people here. I think I saw Noah Akala here somewhere. Let's clap. And Kajiado has also moved from number 43 to 31. Kericho from 21 to 10. And Tharaka Nithi, last time you were number 21, now you're number 10. Significant improvement. Well done. What was the roads index by regions? In 2020, Nairobi accrued the highest index, 59. The lowest was for Northeastern. In 2023, Central gave the highest index for roads, followed by Nairobi. Northeastern were not very happy with the improvements or the strides made, comparatively, that is. And then in 2024, we see it's still Central. And this time round, we saw Nyanza coming in as the second, happiest region with roads at 46%, followed by Nairobi at 44%. And currently we have Central, then Nairobi, and then we have Coast with 44, tying with Nyanza at 44. The most dissatisfied region when it comes to roads this current year is Western, where roads and transport was given 40%. Philip, I don't know whether that says something or resonates with you. Okay. Because I see he's taking notes. What are the top counties by region? Coast, number 1 county in roads and transport is Mombasa with 49. Then we have a tie between Kilifi and Lamu in number 2. And then we also have a tie with Taita Taveta. So number 2 has 3, counties. In Northeastern, we have Garissa, and then we have Wajir and Mandera at 43, 40, and 39 respectively. In Eastern, the top county in roads function is Tharaka Nithi with 46, then Embu and Makueni are at 45. Central, it is Murang'a with 54, Kiambu with 52, and then Nyeri with 48. And then Rift Valley, we have Uasin Gishu, Elgeyo Marakwet, tying with Trans Nzoia at 47% respectively. In Bungoma, we have 42 for Bungoma. In Western, Bungoma is 42, number 1. Kakamega and Vihiga tie at, number 2 position. And then in Nyanza, we have Kisii with 51, then Homa Bay with 48, and Kisumu, number 3, with 46. Under energy, which is another function,